Here's my approach for lineups. I like to start at the neckline, and I always start at the widest point of the neckline, and I gradually begin to take hair off. Now, use the full blade until you get to the round part of the ear. So once you get to that arch, you use the corner of the blade like you see me doing. And you want to keep that arch as natural as possible. And then next for the front, I always comb the hair forward so that way you're cutting off the least amount of hair. So I angled it in slightly. So it's not a 90-degree angle, it's kind of like a 85-degree angle maybe. And then you want to keep the arches as natural as possible. Now you are going to have to take off some hair to create a shape, but just don't go digging into the line. And if your trimmers are set properly, then you can always get a sharp edge. And then you repeat the same thing on the other side, staying as wide as possible. If you go digging into someone's neckline, it's going to look terrible once it starts to grow back. See how I use that corner? And then for his hairline, as you can see, he has light spots in his corners, so I'm going to show you how to attack that. This is not the easiest type of hairline, so that's why I wanted to show you this. So in the middle, I am going to have to take off a little bit of hair just to create the shape that I want. As you see, I'm not digging into his light spots, I'm just going straight across. I do have to tap into the corners just a little bit, but I'm not digging into the skin. I'm not digging into the hair, excuse me. So right here, you'll see me have to take off a little bit more hair in the middle. And I'm just gonna get one side how I want it and then go across and match the other side. And see how I'm not applying heavy pressure? I'm letting the trimmer do the work. You press and pull down, press and pull down. And watch how I just go straight across. Like I said, you are gonna have to tap that corner, but we're not digging into it. And always use your comb to get those fly hairs. And then you just go back and refine the line until you're satisfied. And then we're going to use the razor to make sure that everything is extra crisp. And this will also ensure the longevity of the hairline. It doesn't look like it's cutting much, but the razor is getting those fine hairs that the trimmer can't get. And see how I'm using my thumb to pull the skin in the opposite direction that I'm going with the razor. This will usually make the edge up last at least another 3 days. By the way, if you're getting value out of this video, be sure to hit that like button. And if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. Also, comment what other videos you guys want to see. I feel like I've done so many types of haircut tutorials, so I just need some fresh ideas from you guys. So whatever you guys want to see, just comment below and I'll make it for you guys. But this is the end result, and those are my tips for you guys, and I will catch you all on the next video.